So today I would like to discuss the single line or multi-line. The single lines use the symbol everything after on the line is ignored by Python. Example, this is a simple line comment, print hello words, this print a greeting. The multi-line Python does have a true multi-line comment like some other language, but you can simulate it using multiple symbols or triple quotes, or which are technically multi-line string, not actual comments. Example, this is a multi-line comment using multi-line lines with a hash at the start of each. Triple quotes example, this is a multi-line comment. Technically, it's a string that is assigned to anything, so Python ignore it. Print the. There are some example Python program with comments. This is program calculates the area of article, get user input for width and height. Width float input, enter the width. Height float input, enter the height. Calculate the area, area width, height. Now we print the result. This part could be expanded later to include units or to handling invalid input. Print the area of the article is area.